Before buying indoor motion sensor lights, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Some lights look great but fall flat when it comes to performance. Let's cut through the noise and find out which ones actually deliver. Product number 1, MCGOR under cabinet lights. The MCGOR 10-inch under cabinet lighting caught my eye because it's a bestseller and priced at just $15.94 for a 2-pack. If you want reliable, bright lighting for tight spaces, this is worth a serious look. These lights have a smart motion sensor that activates within 120 degrees and up to 10 feet. Imagine not having to fumble for a switch in a dark kitchen or closet. They auto-off after 20 seconds of no motion, saving energy and preventing annoying light spills. Plus, with 180 lumens of brightness at a cool 7,000 Kelvin, they illuminate your space effectively without harsh glare. Now, some people complained about the battery life. On a full charge, they last 745 days in motion mode, which is impressive, but if you use them constantly, they might need a recharge sooner than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're using them as a night light or in low-activity areas, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, easy-to-install light for cabinets or under shelves. Skip this one if you want something with constant lighting without the need to recharge, but for the price, it's a great deal. Now, if the battery life concerns you, the next product might offer a longer-lasting solution. Product number 2, EasyVALO under cabinet lights. Next up is the EasyVALO 10-inch under cabinet lighting, priced at an affordable $11.99 for 2. If you want customizable lighting modes, this one's definitely worth checking out. The EasyVALO lights boast a built-in motion sensor that detects movement within 12 feet. They come with 3 modes: night motion, all-day motion, and always on, giving you flexibility based on your needs. The 2400 mAh rechargeable battery also offers long-lasting power, up to 40 days in motion mode or 11 hours on constant brightness. That's pretty impressive. However, a few users mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky on non-metal surfaces. But honestly, once you get the hang of it with the adhesive metal plates, it's a piece of cake. So if you're okay with a slightly involved setup, this is still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want versatile lighting for various tasks around the house. Skip this if you want something that's simpler to install without any additional steps, but overall, it's great value for the money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who really want to customize their lighting. Product number 3, ZOYU under cabinet lights. The ZOYU wireless rechargeable motion sensor light is up next, and it's priced at $23.99 for a 3-pack. If you want multiple color options, this one's definitely worth a look. These lights feature 3 color temperature settings: white, warm, and natural light, allowing you to choose based on the mood or task. With a 1800 mAh battery, they last 850 days on motion mode, which is pretty solid. However, some users noted that the brightness levels could be inconsistent. Here's the thing, if you're using them primarily in darker spaces, you might not notice this as much. They still provide great functionality for most needs. This is perfect for you if you're looking for adaptable lighting for different environments. Skip this if you want a more straightforward light without the need for color adjustments, but they're priced reasonably for what you get. Now, if you need something ideal for stairways or hallways, the next product is designed specifically for those areas. Product number 4, Willed Stair Lights. The Willed Stair lights come in a pack of 4 for $24.99, and they're specifically designed for areas like stairways and hallways. If you want gentle, eye-friendly lighting, you'll want to hear about this one. These lights offer a warm, soothing glow that's perfect for nighttime use. They can sense motion up to 10 feet away and last up to 2 months on a single charge when in sensor mode. Plus, the built-in magnetic feature makes installation super easy, no tools required. However, some reviews pointed out that they don't work well in bright light, which may limit their use outdoors. But honestly, if you're looking for indoor safety lighting, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want low-light solutions that are easy on the eyes. Skip this if you want something that functions well outdoors, but they're great for indoor use and worth the price. Now, if you're looking for an affordable option with solid features, let's check out the next product. Product number 5, Die Sky Under Cabinet Lights. Last but not least is the Die Sky Under Cabinet Lighting, which is just $12.59 for 2 lights. If you're on a budget but want quality, this is a fantastic choice. These lights have a smart motion sensor that lights up when you're within 10 feet. They come packed with a 2200 mAh battery that can last 40-60 days when set to automatic sensor mode. Plus, they're easy to install with strong magnets or adhesive plates, making them a versatile option for any space. However, some users mention that the brightness might not be sufficient for larger areas. But honestly, if you're using them in smaller spaces or for accent lighting, they work well. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, efficient lighting solution for cabinets or closets. Skip this if you need something extremely bright for large areas, but at this price, they're a steal. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the MCGOR, EZVA-LO-ZO YIU Wild and Die Sky lights. Each has its strengths, whether it's battery life, versatility, or ease of installation. Depending on what you need, there's definitely an option here that fits your situation. Happy lighting!